Welcome back YouTubers to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you with open arms. My name is Asby and I'm all about creating mental health and awareness. This is just taking you on a journey right now with my condition of suspicious syndrome, OCD and the like, just to get to know me as a person behind those masterpiece diagnoses. Right now also I'm also doing all about, everyday topics, whatever it may be, just to be your mental support and whatever else, with tips and advice along the way through my training and my life experiences, and just to be reminded with the tips and advice that I might give you of either management or treatment of certain things, be it mental health problems or the ones that I'm addressing right now, like dyslexia series versus the other learning disabilities. Is we need to be reminded that basically not everyone will be beneficial for some of the treatments. It may work for me, but it may not work for you, and vice versa. But it's a matter of just respecting one another one-on-one, hopefully, so that we can just get to know each other as a person, because I want this to be a clean kind of environment in this channel of mine, basically, not to have anyone being put down and whatnot. So what I'm going to do, guys, basically, this is all about the dyslexia series right now, as I'm taking a break from my DD, and there'll be plenty more of the series of ADHD, however, as well as this dyslexic series as it comes to light, as I'm doing as much research as I can for you all, as well as just trying to recall everything from what I know, what I've learned so far in the piece of my bits and pieces. So, and all further respect, just bear with me, as I said before, that at this point in time I'll be moving out soon of where I am sitting right now, basically, and that hopefully with some of these videos I've shared already has been of value and use to you all. So, and with ado, guys, basically I'm covering right now part 1, the definition of dyslexia in the dyslexia series of the learning disabilities. So let's begin this. As we know, basically there has been come to light that there has been some variability in the definition of dyslexia. Some sources may claim, such as the US National Institutes of Health, to define it specifically as a learning disorder. Other sources, however, define it simply as an ability to read or write in the context of normal intelligence, and distinguish between developmental dyslexia, which is a learning disorder, and acquired dyslexia, which is meaning loss of the ability to read caused by the brain damage. ICD-10, the manual of medical diagnosis used in much of the world, includes separate diagnosis for developmental dyslexia, however, and for dyslexia and alexia alone. The DSM-5 manual, the manual of psychiatric diagnosis used in the United States, does not specifically define dyslexia, justifying this decision by stating that the many definitions of dyslexia and dyscalculia means those terms would not be useful as disorder names or in the diagnostic criteria. Instead, it includes dyslexia in a category called specific learning disorders or disabilities, which therefore, obviously, many times before, so I see that we're trying to remove the word disabilities and refer it back to abilities somehow, one way or another. So enough for the day, guys. It's a quick, brief, introductory lowdown of what is just the definition of dyslexia. Give me the like for thumbs up for support and engagement. Feel free to comment below. Feel free to follow me Twitter, Facebook, Asby Unstall. Feel free to private message me on Asby Unstall or direct message me in YouTube. Feel free to also share the videos around to your family and friends. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already for daily, weekly updates of what I've been up to, or just daily, weekly updates of certain everyday topics that I'm hoping to address in the near future or in the coming weeks, so to speak, before we're coming to the end of the year of what's going on. Also, I'll be sharing the lowdown of what's going down with me, of some other mishaps or happenings in my life, basically to open you up to my world of what's going on, because as you know, there's things that are changing right now. But also feel free to, like I said, share these videos around as to family, friends, teachers, whatever, whoever it may be, to actually use these as learning resources, or just everyday stuff that you want to just know about, that hopefully some of us will be easy. As I said, hopefully for these series that I'm addressing and more of the dyslexia versus ADD, ADHD and more, basically we, as I said in the counterpart before, and in order, so it can be easy going to go through it all, so that we can all, understand it all. So no further ado, guys. Thanks for the support, thanks for watching. Do what you love what you do, and I'll see you all again soon. Ciao for now.